Ever wondered how your favorite chocolate bar goes from a simple bean to a delicious treat? Let's find out. Our journey begins in warm tropical climates, home to the cacao tree. These amazing trees grow large, colorful pods, and inside each pod are the precious cocoa beans. Farmers carefully harvest these ripe pods by hand, one by one. They split open the pods and scoop out the fresh beans, which are covered in a sweet white pulp. Next, the beans are piled up and left to ferment for several days, a crucial step that develops their unique chocolate flavor. After fermentation, the beans are spread out under the sun to dry completely, removing all moisture. Once dry, they are sent to factories where they are roasted at high temperatures, intensifying their rich aroma and taste. Then, a machine cracks the roasted beans and separates their outer shells, leaving behind small pieces called cocoa nibs. These cocoa nibs are intensely ground into a thick, flowing paste known as cocoa liquor. Don't worry, it's alcohol-free. The cocoa liquor can then be pressed to extract pure cocoa butter, leaving behind solid cocoa powder. To make classic chocolate, cocoa liquor, cocoa butter, sugar, and often milk powder are carefully measured and mixed together. This blend is then conched for many hours in a special machine, making it incredibly smooth and refining its flavor. Next comes tempering, heating and cooling the chocolate precisely to give it that perfect snap and shiny finish. Finally, the liquid chocolate is poured into various molds, like bars or shapes, and cooled until it solidifies. Once firm, your delicious chocolate is wrapped and ready to be shipped out to stores worldwide. So the next time you enjoy a piece, remember the amazing journey from bean to bar.